Hi, my name's Joanie Calem. I just heard about this thing called the Global Dignity Conference, and I'm so happy that such a thing exists. I work as an inclusion advocate, and we create compassionate communities and compassionate classrooms when we ensure that everyone's dignity is being respected and that we're not putting policies in place that get in the way of treating someone with dignity. So this is a song I wrote a long time ago called No Borders. It's not my story. It's a story told to me by a woman I met who was an immigrant to the United States from Mexico, and just about the little indignities that she had to endure that got in the way of the little pleasures of life. There are no lines to divide us, except the rivers and the canyons. No real borders or fences, except the oceans round the land. They crossed the border easily, they broke no laws, but they were poor and brown, and that's all the guards saw. They were traveling to family, her grandson's christening day. Everyone had their green card, sun was shining through the gray. There are no lines to divide us, except the rivers and the canyons. No real borders or fences, except the oceans round the land. They stopped along the road, just a quick water break. That's when the cruiser pulled up, that's when she started to shake. Well, they'd done nothing wrong, they'd broken no laws, but they were poor and brown, and that's all that he saw. There are no lines to divide us, except the rivers and the canyons. No real borders or fences, except the oceans round the land. He checked all of their papers, he checked everything twice. He treated them like criminals, they were meek and nice. But she's tired of being judged, tired of being demeaned. Yes, she's poor and she's brown, but there's so much more to be seen. There are no lines to divide us, except the rivers and the canyons. No real borders or fences, except the oceans round the land. They finally made it to the city, he let them go on their way. Her